The student is Cece, a 4-year-old.
What have you got, Cece?
Hello Kitty.
What? Show me your Hello Kitty.
You see?
She needs colors, she needs songs, she needs action.
Hello. I like red and pink.
This morning we looked at clothes and colors and looked at plural forms.
One shirt in the closet. There are 4 colors in the closet.
Well done, Cece.
That I think is a great pro for online learning. You can really get into focus on the individual student and their weaknesses and strengths.
What do you have in your pencil case?
Have pencil and the ruler.
Now, shall we play a little game, Cece?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Actually, the biggest surprise was how interactive it is and the attractiveness for a young learner. Because it is colorful. I mean, as colorful as you created for them, but you can be very creative.